So perhaps the best thing for us to do is to just sort of delve into what we actually mean by AI in terms of supporting inspection, and what that kind of means in a practical sense. So maybe some examples of what that could mean, how we can use AI to help our work.
I suppose one of the ways of framing the question is not necessarily to start with AI. It's to take a step back and think, well, what is it that you're trying to achieve? What are these sort of untapped benefits? And also, what are the issues that we're trying to solve? I think framing the question in that way guards against the risk of just doing something to do with AI for the sake of it being AI. And indeed, that's the approach that we took at Estin. So by having a long list of issues that we're trying to work through, or some benefits that we're trying to realise, we came up with a series of projects that we've been piloting. One instance, for example, is for every inspection that we do, there is an output. There is that inspection report. We also tailor that report for the parents and carers, so we're able to convey that message to them. But then we thought, well, what about the learners? So using AI, we've been able to save time or produce drafts specific for learners in a really quick way. Again, we need to guard ourselves against ensuring that the prompt is really, really tight, and that we are always verifying the output. We are very mindful that ChatGPT produces very plausible text, but it has no regard for the truth. So by tightening the prompt and making sure that inspectors know that they have to verify everything, we've been able to make great progress in that respect.